While in the merry month of May, now from me home I started, left the girls at Hume and nearly broken heart, saluted father dear, kissed me darling mother, drank a pint of beer, me grief and tears are smothered enough to reap the corn, leave for I was born, caught a stout black tarn to banish ghosts and goblins, brand new pair of brogues to rat the love of the bogs, frighten all the dogs on the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin, whack for Lally-ra. In Mullingar that night I rested limb so weary, started by daylight this morning bright and nearly took a drop of the pure, keep me heart from sinking, that's the paddy's cure. When Aries up for drinking to see the lassie smile, laughing all the while at me curious style, to set your heart a bubbling, asked me was I hired, wages I required, till I was almost tired of the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin, back for Lally-ra. In Dublin next I ride, I thought it such a pity to be so soon deprived the view of that fine city. Then I took a stroll, all among the quality bundle it was told. When in a neat locality some did cross me mind, when I looked behind a bundle could I find upon me stick a wobble inquiring for the road, said me Connaught brogue, it wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin, back for Lally-ra. From there I got away, my spirits never failing, landed on the quay just as the ship was sailing. Captain at me roared, said the storeroom Harry, when I jumped aboard a cabin brown for a paddy. Down among the pigs, did some hearty rigs, a dance some hearty jigs, the water round me bubbling when a Polly head, wished myself was dead, a better far instead, on the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin, back for Lally-ra. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin, back for Lally-ra. Ah well, the boys of Liverpool, when we safely landed, called myself a fool. I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil, temper I was losing, poor old Aaron's oil. Oh, they began everything hurrah, my soul says I'm a shillelagh, I'll fly. Galway boys were buying, saw I was a hobbling with a loud hooray, join in the affray, quickly clear the way for the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin, back for Lally-ra. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the ways to Dublin, back